2023 has arrived, and new resolutions to create more wealth have also been created. But, if you look back at 2022, does it make you feel that you are stuck in the same cycle again? Well, not anymore. Because here are the top 5 habits to adopt in 2023 that can help you grow your wealth for sure. 1. Create time-bound goals with punishment. Imagine you have an important meeting with a client at 12:30 p.m. tomorrow. You plan out your morning in advance and make sure to meet your client on time. But, if you look closer, it was not the time of the meeting that made this task successful. It was the deadline of 12:30 p.m. that automatically organized all your actions. So create time-bound goals in the areas that can help you create more wealth. And make sure to add a specific date and time in your calendar before which you want to achieve your objective. Because once you impose a specific deadline to your goals, related actions will automatically follow. However, as a human, we all need a form of punishment that can motivate us to achieve our time-bound goals. And to understand the kind of punishment we should adopt, we must move to the second point. 2. Hire an accountability coach. Now, hiring an accountability coach might sound like a weird form of punishment. But, the crucial part here is the amount that you pay to an accountability coach to help you achieve your objectives. Because once you pay someone for any service, it adds value to the objective and makes you feel that you could lose money if you don't achieve your goals. So hire an accountability coach, even if you don't need one. And soon, you will start noticing the difference. 3.